Alright, if you want to say, I've been living in Frankfurt for 3 years, which one of these sentences would be the correct one? Ich wohne für 3 Jahre in Frankfurt oder ich wohne seit 3 Jahren in Frankfurt. The first one, right? No. The reason why the first sentence is incorrect is something most students are guilty of, which is translating the English sentences in their minds to German. In this video, we'll correct that mistake today and learn how to correctly use the temporal prepositions für, seit and vor. Let's get started. The preposition für is used for the duration of events in the future. For example, hier bleiben wir für 3 Tage. We'll stay here for 3 days. Or, im Winter will für eine Woche in die Berge fahren. He wants to go to the mountains for a week in winter. The preposition seit is used for the duration of an event which began in the past and is still ongoing in the present. Ich wohne seit 3 Jahren in Frankfurt. The subject came at some point in the past in Frankfurt and has been living there since then. That's why the sentence is correct. Also, although we're talking about an event in the past, we will still use the present tense in such sentences. Why? Because the event is still continuing in the present. The subject is still living in Frankfurt. Yes? Let's look at some more examples with seit. Sie arbeitet seit einem Monat bei dieser Firma. She's been working in this company for a month. Marco und Maria sind seit einem Jahr verheiratet. Marco and Maria have been married for a year. Now, if an event happened in the past and is not continuing in the present, then you don't have to use any prepositions. Let's take the Frankfurt example again. Ich habe 3 Jahre in Frankfurt gewohnt. Here, the subject lived in Frankfurt at some point in the past for 3 years. The event or the action is complete and it's not ongoing in the present. The subject is now living in a different place. Klar? Let's look at some more examples. Gestern haben sie 4 Stunden lang Sport gemacht. They worked out for 4 hours yesterday. Ich musste 2 Stunden auf den Bus warten. I had to wait 2 hours for the bus. And finally, vor is used for events that happen before a particular period of time. What do I mean by that? Let's look at this sentence. Marco und Maria wurden vor einer Woche Eltern. Marco and Maria became parents a week ago. So when an event occurs before a specific point of time in the past, in this case, Marco and Maria becoming parents a week ago, then you use vor. They're not becoming parents every day. It was a moment or period of time in the past. I hope that makes sense. Also, vor can be used for events that happened before another event. For example, vor Schwimmen gehe ich mit meinem Hund spazieren. Before I swim, what do? I go for a walk with my dog. That's it. If you found this video helpful, do consider to like and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't so far. And I'll see you in the next lesson.